in Spain, there's a food called the churro, and it's fried dough with chocolate sauce. And in this breakfast buffet, they have this, so I'm gonna try it. This is a Spanish tortilla, which is an egg and potato dish, and there might also be some onions in there. The Spanish tortilla is pretty good, and the texture is kind of like a soft hash brown with some eggs in it. So we are on the block Discord, and this is the first house on the corner is designed by Gaudi, and the house next to it is by another architect. So that's why it's called the block Discord. This house has many intricate designs and sculptures on the outside. This house's owner was also an owner of a chocolate business, so that's why there's a chocolate shop under his house. Just came back from a supermarket in Barcelona, and basically over here we have some bread, and down here we have some breadsticks to go with the jamon, and over here we have a variety of different canned seafoods. These are like shellfish, sardines, and razor clams. Over here we have some more jamon, and this chocolate is also made in Spain. And there's also some other drinks like soda, and also we'll compare the different types of jamon that we try from different places. This is the cheaper jamon, and it costed around $6, and it's pretty good, but There one over here that costs $13. It's a little bit better. This type of jamon melts in your mouth and it is not really greasy, but it still tastes really good.